Hey friends, so this is your workbook. Go ahead and get your workbook out and let's write today's date. Today is September 16th, 2020. So we just finished reading our book, Grow Happy, and we are doing a study about the words that are in our book, Grow Happy. So let's take a look at our words really quickly one more time. So here's our words. So I'm going to go ahead and write them down. You can go ahead and write them down in your notebook. I know you already wrote them, but you're writing them again. That's the way we get better at spelling. So go ahead. I have get, rest, take, body, mind, plant, soft, pool, weeds, and water. So last week we were working on counting the sounds. How many sounds do you hear in get? G, e, t. 3. What about rest? R, e, s, t. 4. Take, t, a, k. 3. You should have body, b, a, d, e is 4. Mind, m, I, n, d is 4. Plant, p, l, e, n, t. 5. Soft, s, a, f, t. Pool, p, u. Weeds, w, ed, s. Water, w, at, There we go. That was last week. Hopefully that's how you did it. So this week, I want you to write sentences for your words. All your words. You can write one sentence for each word, or you can write a sentence that combines your words. For example, here's get and rest, so I can write, I get rest every night, so I am ready for school. Period. Notice how long my sentence is. My sentence started with a capital letter and it ended with a period. My sentence took up 2 lines. I'm going to go ahead and underline get and rest because those are our spelling words, and I'm going to put a check on get and rest because I used those already. I do not want tiny sentences. Tiny sentences are not okay. So let's do an example. This says soft. I don't want to see this. It is soft. Look how tiny that sentence is. That is not good. That is too tiny of a sentence. I want nice long sentences just like mine. You go ahead and get out your composition book. Get out yours. Write the date, copy your words down, and write me some sentences and check off the words you use. Go ahead and get started.